Welcome to HelloWorld number 7. I was planning on doing a 3-tier HelloWorld application, which had a front-end graphical user interface, a GUI, and a server-side code, and then a relational database. And I installed MySQL, but I decided to switch gears and talk about internationalization and localization, sometimes abbreviated I-18L. Why is that? Well, because there's 18 letters in between I and L in the word internationalization. So it's the I and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then the N, and then L for localization. So I refactored the application. So let's take a look at it in Eclipse. We start out in the index JSP, and we now have a drop-down with 3 values. Value number 0 is for English language, value 1 for German, value 2 for French. And when you change the value in the drop-down, it calls this script, this my function. And if we're case 0, English, it's actually changing this href down here to pass in a couple of parameters. Language equals EN, country equals US. If we pick German, it's language equal DE, Deutsch. Country equals DE, Deutschland. And French is FR, FR. So let's see how this actually behaves. Notice if I pick English, look at this URL down at the bottom here. When I hover over the href, language equals EN, country US. German, DE, DE. French, look down here please, FR, FR. So the first thing we do is pick the language and then we click here and it gives us the proper text. Hello World for English. Hallo Welt for German. Bonjour le monde for French. How is it doing that? Well, after we click this href, it's going to a mapping of hello. So under controller, we've got this Hello World controller, and the request mapping is hello, so that's the one it picks. And we're getting the 2 language and country parameters that are passed in. We're creating a locale and getting the right resource bundle. And you can see here's all our resource bundles. So if it's English, the greeting is Hello World. French is Bonjour le monde. German, it's Hallo Welt. And then the Hello World controller is creating a model in view, which is mapped to Hello World. So the dispatcher is a prefix of something in the views directory and a suffix of .jsp. And since we're picking Hello World, it is mapping to this Hello World JSP. So that's where this return is going to go to. And we're going to display at the top I-18L example, and then the message and the greetings. Message and greetings. So that's pretty slick. So that's it for this video. Next thing I'm going to do is, rather than getting these values out of message bundles, we will get them out of the database. I've got MySQL installed, like I said, so I'll refactor this once again to pull the values out of a database instead of out of these resource bundles. Until next time.